Hey fellow adventurers, you've seen in recent videos we have a different camper. Let me start off by saying we were completely happy with our previous camper. No issues, as you've seen in the videos. We had actually done some modifications to it, replaced the underbelly, etc. We had no intention to trade in that camper. Really?
Yeah.
We were out one day, as we do. We go out and we look at campers. That's just a pastime of ours, looking at campers and trucks. We had looked in some smaller campers and we got talking. It was a thing that we were going out west, South Dakota, and we weren't really comfortable with pulling the bigger camper with the smaller truck. We were right at that rating. We were like, you know what, let's go look, see what we can find. So we did go in a couple of smaller campers than what we had. There was a couple that we did like. However, it was only gonna be like a couple of feet. The Catalina was a 30 foot and the ones we were looking at were like 25, 26. So we got to talking just for kicks. I was like, well, let's go look at some 20 footers. We walked into an R-Pod 192 and we were like, okay, this has everything we want. And we were really surprised at the size. We had the two of us, plus we had the sales lady standing in there with us. It did not feel at all tiny. It's a perfect length. It was 20, I think it's 22 foot. You know, it's good for weight on the truck. We're gonna be able to get into smaller places. We were looking at the boondocking part of it with having the onboard generator on the truck. It's perfect. The only downfall was it was a single axle. So we went ahead and took the leap. And so far, we have honestly been so happy with it. Just wanted to give you that little update and be watching for the tour of the new camper. Enjoy the video, and as always, we thank you for watching. First time doing dishes in a new sink. Definitely consider spray. Never used convection oven, ever. So gonna make some cinnamon rolls for dessert tonight. Yeah, hopefully I don't burn them. All right, let's see how these turn. Oh, that's hot. They look like they turned out. So this is my organizing job for today. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Crystal Speedway. Pretty cool. We get to see it and be in front of it and all that good stuff.
Yeah.
It's good, but it's sour. That's all flooded down there too. That is crazy. Subscribe, go ahead and subscribe, click that bell so that you are notified of all new uploads. Give us a thumbs up, and as always, make every day a new adventure. Thank you for watching.